Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to walk you through how you can make $200 a day selling digital products. And today we're specifically talking about how to do this with t-shirt designs. Not selling t-shirts, but t-shirt designs. And at the time of this recording, we're 3 months away from the end of the year. You have Halloween approaching us this month. You have Thanksgiving coming up next month and Christmas in December. And because of these holidays, so many people tend to spend so much money around this time of the year. And these are family holidays that people spend with their children, with their families, and with their friends. And because of this is the best time for you to get into digital products. If you're completely new to this and have no idea where to start, today I'm going to break down everything to you step by step. We're going to create the t-shirt designs. We're going to discuss how to sell them, and I'm going to show you how to market them for easy sales these upcoming holidays. So make sure you stick around to the end of this video so you don't miss out on any important information or any steps to get started. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get right into it. Alright, you guys, so the app that we're going to use to create your design is going to be Canva. If you have not heard of Canva, Canva allows you to create literally anything. You can create videos, you can create wallpaper, you can create Instagram stories, YouTube thumbnails, like literally anything, docs, anything you need. Canva is the place to get it. So if you have never heard of Canva, this is the app that you need for your business. Now, if you have not had an account with Canva, they do offer a 30-day trial for new email accounts. So if you don't have a Canva account already, I highly suggest that you start with the Canva Pro, because it allows you to choose from so many different designs and so many better options than the free version. But if you do not have the money to pay for Canva, I think it's like $16 a month, but you do get that free 30-day trial. If you don't have the money to continue paying for it, Canva is still free to access, so you can still create your design. So the first thing you want to do is choose t-shirt. Now, as you can see, there are so many different things that you can choose from. And if you don't see it, you can type it in the search and I'm sure it's going to pop up. So we're going to go to t-shirts. And because the holiday season is approaching for Halloween, today that kind of shirt is what we're going to design. Now, if you're someone who is just getting into business and you have no idea what kind of t-shirt design you want to create for Halloween, I would tell you to choose a niche, to choose a specific group of who it is that you want to target for these next 3 months. Now, when I say choose a specific group, this means that you want to tailor your business specifically to a specific group. So for instance, because the holidays are approaching, you could tailor your business to couples. You can do families where it's a mother, her children, and her spouse. Or you can do it where it's single moms with children. So according to how you want to operate within the next 3 months and the designs that you feel like you're able to come up with and different slogans that you can put on these shirts, that is how you want to choose which industry to go into. So when you're in the Canva app, it has a lot of templates that you can choose from. So because we're going to talk about Halloween and we're designing a Halloween shirt, as you can see, there are so many different templates that you can go for. You can go for Halloween party, happy Halloween, Halloween sale, trick or treat, spooky, like literally anything that you can think of, Canva will have. There are so many different options to choose from, but I like to be different and I want to go with something that's going to be more tailored to a specific group. So today we're going to specifically target moms because I am a mom of 2. So I'm going to design a shirt that's going to be just for a mom. I know a lot of you may be saying you don't have designs, you don't know any slogans to use, and this right here is the app that you need so that you can get those ideas. This is going to be Chat GPT. You can download it on your phone, you can download it on your computer. So with Chat GPT, it is free to use. So for someone who may be saying you don't know any slogans to put on your shirt so that your shirt would be tailored to a specific group, this is where Chat GPT will come in. If you have never heard of Chat GPT, it is a AI tool that can help take your business to the next level. So today we're going to be using Chat GPT to give us some slogans specifically for single moms for Halloween. So what you want to do is ask GPT to give you those slogans. So we're going to put in, can you give me 10 Halloween funny slogans for single moms looking. And you can make this as detailed as possible or as less detailed as possible. It is totally up to you. You just have to decide how you want this to be. So I'm going to put in, can you give me 10 Halloween funny slogans for single moms looking to wear this shirt to a Halloween party with her children. Okay, so as you can see, it's a single mom, double the tricks, triple the treats, wishing you a stress-free Halloween, creeping it real mom edition, single spooky and still fabulous, mommy's boo crew, we've got these, raising little monsters one treat at a time, too cute to spook, too tired to care. I like these slogans, y'all. Like, these are really popping. So I'm gonna go with mommy's boo crew, we've got this. So I'm gonna copy it and I'm gonna go back over here into Canva. For the purpose of this video, we're gonna keep it real short and smooth and straight to the point. So I want to go with using this design, which say boo. It already has the look ghost on here because that is something that's going to resonate with what we are going with. So I'm going to take this boo off of here and we're going to add a text, which is going to be what we came up with from Chat GPT. So we're going to take this and we're going to delete that and we're going to paste what we came up with. And that is mommy's boo crew, we've got this. So I'm not going to keep the whole ending on here. I'm just going to go with mommy's boo crew. So because it is Halloween and this is going to be tailored to a Halloween party, I'm going to go with something that's more like orange. I want that to be black. So if you're trying to change the background, you're going to hit the whole background and then you're going to go up here and just choose the color. So this is how I want this to look. If you wanted to take these off or change it, you can move it around and maneuver it however you would like. If you wanted to add something to this design, you would hit element. And you can go up through here and we're going to put in Halloween. And it's going to pop up different designs. So again, you guys, this is going to be the quickest way for you to begin creating t-shirt designs. You don't want to overcomplicate this. You want to go ahead, create some things, use chat GPT to come up with you a few slogans tailored to whatever specific group that you're going to be targeting for this upcoming season. And you want to go ahead and get this done as quick as possible, because the whole goal here is for us to start making money for this holiday season. You can even add some things. Okay, now if you want to see how the shirt looks, you're going to hit print with Canva. And this is how your shirt design will look. Now, again, you guys, this is just an example. So it is totally up to you how you create this and how you make this look. Okay, so now you have the option to see how the design will look. Again, you guys, this is just a quick, simple tutorial to show you how to get this done. I know it don't look the best, but this is just for the purpose of this video to show you. So you can go on here and play around with it. You can use some of the designs that it have, and you can use these mock-ups as a way for you to promote how the shirt will look once they buy the design for you. Remember, you are not selling the actual t-shirt. You're only selling the design. So you want to go on here and you want to kind of make it catchy, make it pretty, make it be something that you would wear yourself. If you wanted to go on here and you wanted to save this design, you would go over here, hit share, and once you hit share, you're going to hit save as. And because this is going to be for a t-shirt, you want to make sure that you hit PNG, and you want to make sure that it is transparent. So once you begin selling these t-shirt designs, they can have a transparent background, because you don't want it to have a black background. You want to be able to allow them to use just the design but not the actual background coloring, in case they want to choose different colors for the background of the shirt. So you want to go on here, you want to hit PNG, and you want to save it to your phone or save it to your computer. Now that you've designed your shirt, it's time to decide where you want to sell them. If you already have a social media following that has your target audience, you can start there. Just upload the design to your own website using something like Gumroad or PayHip, which is both free to use. Other paid platforms are Shopify and StanStore, and they have so many other websites that you can use. If you don't already have your audience, you can start with Etsy or Creative Market. Etsy is probably one of the best places to sell digital products, especially for t-shirt designs. People go to Etsy specifically to look for creative, unique designs. It's a marketplace where your audience is already shopping for what you have to offer. You'll just have to upload your designs, write a catchy description, and you're good to go. I'm sure you've already used Etsy before for your own personal use. Creative Market platform is perfect for selling digital products like t-shirt designs, fonts, graphics, and more. It has its own built-in audience of people who are looking for creative assets. With Creative Market is known for its higher price points, so you can sell the premium designs there. So if your shirt looks more high quality, that's where you need to go to sell. If you want to take it a step further and you want to actually sell the t-shirt along with the digital design that you created within Canva to make more money, you can check out places like Printful or Printify. It's a print-on-demand service that handles the production and shipping, and you just upload your designs. There is no products that you have to ship or no upfront costs. With Printful or with Printify, they basically do all the work for you. They charge you a fee, and it tells you the flat fee in the beginning of the product. And once your customer buys, you just have to make sure that you pay for the item that has been shipped. So now that you got your t-shirt designs and you've listed them on your platform, it's time for you to start marketing. When using platforms like Etsy or creative marketing, the first thing you want to do is make sure your designs are optimized for search on the platform you're selling. This means you want to use keywords in your title and in your description. So for example, with what we created, it was around Halloween. So you want to put something like funny Halloween illustrations. You want to make sure you use keywords like funny Halloween t-shirt design, Halloween t-shirt, or even digital download t-shirts. You want to be as specific as possible with your keywords so that people who are looking for what you have to offer can find you at ease. Next thing you want to do is start promoting your designs on social media platforms like Instagram. You have Facebook, and even with TikTok, you can promote your digital product designs on there and use those mock-ups from what you created in Canva so that you can show your audience what you have to offer. When it comes to digital t-shirt designs, I recommend starting with price ranges from $5 to $15. The pricing will depend on your design, the platform you're selling on, and your target audience. Now, if you choose to use Etsy, I would say it's very important for you to check what other sellers are doing within your specific niche and see what they are charging. You don't want to price it too high when you're first starting out, but you also don't want to undercut yourself. So just go on there and check out the price margins around the designs according to who you are trying to target. And the more designs that you do create, that's the more money you will make. So like with me doing the single moms, it would be smart for me to create a design that'll be for her kids or for her infants. So she will go from buying one t-shirt design to buying at least 2 t-shirt designs depending on how many children she has. So I hope that you're feeling inspired to get started with this easy digital product business for the holidays so you can make more money. And if you found this video to be helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and giving me a like so that the algorithm can push this video out to more people who is looking to make more money. Thank you guys for watching. If you have any comments about digital products, be sure to drop it in the comments so that I can make videos to help you. I will talk to you guys back here on my next video. Bye.